Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or off tone guides on your Suunto Core outdoor watch. I'm using the classic black model. It shouldn't matter which version you've got. This video should work the same for everybody. So first and foremost, what is a tone guide? Don't get this confused with button tones. Button tone means any button you press, it will make a beeping noise. You can see I'm pressing various buttons. I changed my view. I'm changing my modes. It's not making any noise. That's because I've got button tones turned off. Tone guides are a little bit different because it only makes a beeping noise whenever you do certain things, like you change a setting value, you set a reference altitude, you start or stop your log recorder. The watch automatically switches between altimeter and barometer if you're using the automatic profile. There's various things that will trigger the tone guide, and it's really not that annoying. Button tones can be kind of annoying. Tone guide kind of lets you know that something has changed or started or stopped. I'm going to try and show you an example of it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to press the mode button. I'm going to go to time. I'm going to change my view. And let's go to the stopwatch. Stopwatch is one of the places that you will hear a tone guide. So I'm in my stopwatch. Let's start and stop it. That beeping noise that you just heard is what's called a tone guide. I'm going to stop it. So in this video, we're talking about how do you turn that off if you don't like hearing that beeping noise. There's some people that don't want to hear any noises throughout the day. Maybe you're in a meeting or something like that. You don't want the watch doing any kind of beeping. That's what we're going to be looking at. So it's pretty simple. What we need to do is we need to start by pressing and holding the middle button on the right hand side. That is our mode button. It will take us into our settings. You'll see a little loop that goes around showing you to hold it for a while, and then you're going to get a screen that looks just like this. This is your settings screen. Now we're going to press the down button, which is the bottom right button. We're going to press it several times until we get down to general. Then we're going to press the mode button to select general. The first option in there is button tones. Now again, button tones means anytime I press any button, it will make a beeping noise. We're talking about tone guides. So we're going to go down to tone guides. I'm going to press the menu button or mode button to select tone guides. You can see that mine is on. We knew that because of the example I showed you with the stopwatch. We can use either the up or down button. We're going to simply toggle that off. And now we can press the view button, which is the bottom left button, to back out of the setting. The setting has been confirmed, so now let's go test it. I'm going to go back to the stopwatch. I'm going to reset it. And let's start it. And you'll notice we didn't hear any beeping noise this time. I'm going to stop it. Same thing, the watch is basically totally in silent mode. Now you'll still hear your alarm if you set an alarm or the hourly chime, but in terms of tone guides, you won't be hearing those anymore. Pretty simple stuff. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.